Hi, my name is Shanna Perry, and I'm the Director of Curriculum and Learning here at Kingsgate International School. We value the relationship between school and parents and the important role parents play. That's why we're kicking off our parent education workshops with the topic, How to Effectively Talk to Your Child's Teacher. We know that when parents are actively engaged, students value school more. So please come and join us October 5th at 3:30 p.m. here at Kingsgate International School to learn more about how to talk to your child's teachers and effectively and openly communicate with them. We have two amazing guest speakers, two of our teachers from Kingsgate, Miss Shauna Wilson and Mr. Alex Walsh, and they will be sharing some tips and secrets that will help you and your child be more successful in school and in life. So please come and join us October 5th. This is not open just to our Kingsgate family. Our Kingsgate family is invited, plus every other parent in the community. So come along and bring your friends. Can't wait to see you.